Hey there, it's Mr. Steen. I'm going to talk to you about this career Google Site project and how to basically use Google Sites to do what you need it to do. Google Sites is a pretty cool web page making product, but it's actually somewhat new. It's old, but they just redid it, and so there's a lot of different things here that you can do, and so maybe you've never used it before. So let's take a look at some basics. You come to something, and it will say something like this. We'll say something other than this, but you're going to put in, your big header right away. So let's just say you're doing learning about how to become a civil engineer. So you type that in there, maybe, right? Maybe over here you'd say, okay, I want to put in the name of my website, so you might just put in the same thing here. This is just like the header. Notice that changes over there. You can also add a logo, which is pretty cool. So if you wanted to see I was doing police, but now maybe you want to put a bridge in there, because a bridge would be a cool thing for a civil engineer to have. But I don't really like those. What I really want is some sort of bridge clip art. There we go. So maybe this is cool, and I can select that. And then it puts it up there, but I can also say I want the background to be transparent, so that puts this cool bridge in there. That's awesome. I can change, of course, in my how to do design, I do some of this as well, but I can change the background here. I can look through here and see something that I think looks like some civil engineering kind of thing, like this one. And then I want to start adding content. So here in Insert is where I actually start putting things. Now, there's a lot of things you can do. I don't know if we would do a lot of these, but if you wanted to, you could put a map if there's a specific location that your career happens in, maybe. I don't think you would put in a calendar. You might want to find some videos about your career and put those in. That would be a cool thing, especially for an intro page. The main ones you're going to be doing are probably text boxes, so let's just insert a text box. So here we can go, welcome to All About Civil Engineering. I'm recording myself. I'm talking to Mr. Struck now, everybody. And so you just type in that text. You can just change them into bullets if you want, or create bullets later on. Any of those basic things. If you find links online, you can add those. So let's just say you found some link, and you put in, go here for more info. And down here you would paste in the link that you found on the website. I'll just send you to Google because, that's where you get more info. And that's pretty much everything. See, there's not really anything there that you can do. You can change the look of it a little bit, and you can change the background of it. So that's the main thing. You could put in dividers between each section when you want to say something else. And then if you want to do an image, you just click here and put in the images that you want to put in. Civil engineer. Yay. And you could just keep on building down and down and down. You can make it scroll as far as you want. Or you can go and watch how to add pages, the tutorial, which is showing you how to create navigation, which would put links up here at the top for you to click on other parts. And that's as easy as this is to use. There's not a lot of features hidden anywhere. It is just these few features you see that anybody can probably figure out. So have fun.